هي باتوك دي؟ باتوك؟ تعمل بيها دورة ولا؟ تعمل بيها دورة؟ اه اه This is a traditional sandwich from the city of Bizerte. It's called Casse Croute Lablabi. It's a variant of the Lablabi. It's made with chickpeas in bread and harissa. You can add like olive oil to it, sardines, tuna. The chickpeas are cooked with alone, and then he will add cumin. I don't like to say it in English, it's weird. Since you know it, I'm broke, I just had like the simple one with olives and chickpeas, but you can add a lot of things. Whatever. زيت زيتون عادي. And this is the bridge of Bizerte. When you're a kid, it's a lovely place where you can jump in the water. When you grow up and you have to spend like 2 hours to get in or out of the city, you learn to hate it, probably.
You